If you have a matte or satin finished vehicle, this video is for you. Hey guys, it's Corey from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today is the final day of SEMA Week 2025. With that final day comes the final product from the CARPRO lineup, and that is MadMatte. MadMatte is an SiO2-based product designed to protect surfaces that are matte, frozen, or satin. Whether that be paint, PPF, vinyl, doesn't matter. It's for all of those surfaces and everything in between. What it does not do is add gloss. So similar product to Reload in its function, but it's not going to add the gloss that Reload does. It will, however, add the hydrophobics, which is exactly what you want so that you can wash off your surfaces easier and avoid leaving stains on them. When it comes to application, it actually applies easier than Reload or most other products out there. You basically just spray it on the surface, spread it in, and then wipe off the excess. We're going to have detailed instructions for that in the links below. We're also going to provide you with all of the sizes, the pricing, and everything else that you'll find there. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably already in stock at our site, but if it's not, be sure to hit the Notify Me button and you'll be the first to know as soon as we get it in stock. We've been playing with this product for a few weeks now, actually months, but this is the final production version that we've been playing with the last couple weeks, and we couldn't be happier with it. I not only used it on matte PPF, but I actually use it on my interior surfaces as well. While I may not necessarily be recommending that you do that since it has not been vetted by CARPRO yet, that's something I chose to do. And I actually loved the finish that I found on my door panels, vinyl, and center console. I think that's everything that I wanted to go over in this announcement video. We're just super excited to finally have something for all of our matte and satin owners, and I think you guys are going to love the product. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time.